Hola, amigos. Oh.
So we are having a multicultural summer enrichment program here at Grahamwood Elementary. This is for the students. They are really enjoying it. They're learning English, they're playing games, and they're having a great time making friends.
Did you like the summer camp? Absolutely, yeah. I really like it. It's so fun and I really like it. I want to say thank for everyone for helping me.
I improving my English over here also. My favorite thing to do is go to pee because I exercise my body.
So my question is, how do you improve the English in here?
I improve my English by talking to the teachers, to the students, reading books, and playing games.
We practice our English with friends or teacher or doing homework.
We've learned so many things, so our English has improved so much. We've done so many activities like the Pink Palace, the Children's Museum. It's been such a great summer.
It's been a very wonderful time spending at the Multicultural ESL Summer Camp with those kids. We've been introduced to multinational kids and their experience. They made friends. They learning how to move and play music and sing. It has been a wonderful time with wonderful teachers and the staff.
It's a lot of fun over here.
I want all the students to come in ESL camp.
تقول كلمة بكلمة.
بدنا كل أصحابنا يجوا يتعلموا وينبسطوا.
Parents, if you have students that need to learn English and practice their English, please send them to the Multicultural Summer Enrichment Program.
We love learning